Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the goal, an only way run, so strip distractions and lock controls. First, practice your core movement until dash, double jump, and nail timings feel reflexive. This lets you reposition during hits. Once done, swap to quick casts and test Vengeful Spirit. You need predictable spell ranges. Make sure to prioritize getting benches, maps, and stag routes so you can rehearse boss approaches repeatedly. This foundation reduces mistakes and makes the harder patterns manageable. You now layer skills, combine precise movement with rhythm. For each encounter, split it into approach, bait, and punish. Bait attacks to create a 0. 5 to 1 second window and punish with a nail art or spell. Once done, tailor your charms. Pick health and damage early, swap to spell efficiency when fights demand ranged options. Make sure to rehearse cancels and pogo timing in a controlled area. Repetition turns risky maneuvers into reliable tools when pressure builds. You finish runs by tightening timings and minimizing errors. Memorize boss telegraphs so you enter recovery frames with a plan, and keep just enough soul to heal during prolonged phases. Once you've completed a route, optimize it. Cut backtracking, use stag and bench resets to practice hard sections. If things go wrong, slow your practice down, strip charms to simplify inputs, and film your runs. Watching your mistakes reveals consistent fixes far faster than repeating full-speed attempts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.